Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will discuss the problem number 3 of May Lead Coding Challenge. Today's problem is a ransom note. So let's first discuss what the problem statement that they have mentioned, and then I'll summarize the problem for you. As per me, this problem belongs to easy category. Now let's understand. So what they are mentioning is you are given two strings, ransom note string and magazine strings. What we need to do is we need to write a function that will return true if the ransom note string can be constructed from the magazine string. Otherwise it will return false. Now first let's focus on what they mean by construct. So basically what they mean by construct is you may choose any letters from the magazine string and then you might try to construct your ransom note. One note that they have clearly mentioned is each letter in the magazine string can only be used once in your ransom note. Right? Now, one more note that they clearly mentioned, you may assume that both strings contain only lowercase letters. Right? So for example, if you see here, I can't construct A from B because there is only letter V. I don't have B in the magazine string. That's why I can't construct string A. If you see here, I can't construct AA from AB because I need only two A's to construct double A string, but I have only one A in my magazine string. Right? If you see here, I can construct AA from AAB because I need two A's which are also here in the magazine string. Now let's talk about the solution. So one thing which come in my mind is what I can do is I can use hash map to track the frequency of each letter in both the strings, and then post doing one thing which come in my mind is what I can do is I can use two hash map which will basically track the what I can do is I can basically have two hash maps which will track the frequency of each letters in these strings. If the frequency of each letter in the ransom note string is less if the frequency of each letter in the ransom note string is less than the frequency of each letter in the magazine string, we can definitely construct ransom note string from the magazine string. Right? So what is the solution one? What I can do is I can use two hash map which will track the frequency of letter in these two strings, and then in the map of ransom node the frequency of each letter has to be less than the frequency of each letter in the magazine map. This is one way of doing this problem. Now if you understood this one thing, they have clearly mentioned you may assume that both strings contains only lowercase letter. So there is a shortcut for doing this. So what is the shortcut in the sense? I need not to create a map. What I can do is I can create simply an integer array of size 26. And then for each letter, I'll map to this index in the array by using the ASCII value. Let me code this, which will make you more understanding this problem. So what I can do is I'll take one integer array of size 26. Then what I'll first do is for each character in the magazine, then what I'll first do is for each character in the magazine string, I'll simply do I'll map this character to ASCII value and then do plus plus, right? Now for every character in the ransom note string, what I'm going to do is I'll first do the decrement part, and then if it is less than 0, I'll return false there itself. Understood this statement once again? So basically what I'm doing is, for every character in the ransom node, I'm currently checking, I'm decrementing the frequency of that letter first and then checking whether that is less than 0 or not. If that is less than 0, I return there itself false, or else in the end I'll return true. Because the frequency of each letter in the magazine string was greater than equal to the ransom note string. Let's try this. Okay. Awesome. What is the time complexity? Awesome. What is the time complexity? So time complexity will be nothing but big O of m plus n, where m are the characters in m chars in your ransom note string and n chars in magazine string. And what is the space complexity here? Space complexity is always size of 26. And what is the space complexity here? So space complexity will be of always size 26. That's it. That's the end of the solution. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget. That's the end of the video. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.